In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Bitwarden extension on Chrome quickly and easily. If you use a lot of passwords, this is one of the best ways to keep them organized, secure, and easy to access right from your browser. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're connected to the internet because we'll need access to the Chrome Web Store to install the extension. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu. From there, hover over Extensions. A side menu will appear, and you should click Visit Chrome Web Store. That will take you directly to the official store where Chrome extensions are installed. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for Bitwarden. Type in Bitwarden and press Enter. You'll see search results appear on the page. From the results, click on Bitwarden Password Manager. Make sure you select the official extension so you know you're installing the correct one. On the Bitwarden page, look for the Add to Chrome button and click it. Chrome will then show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to add the extension. To continue, click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically. After a few moments, the Bitwarden extension will be added to your browser. You may see the Bitwarden icon appear near the top right corner of Chrome. If you don't see it right away, you can click the puzzle piece icon to find your installed extensions and pin Bitwarden for easy access. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Bitwarden extension on Chrome. From here, you can sign in, save passwords, and make your browsing experience much more secure and convenient. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.